are new to sliding dropouts, they may be confusing at first, but it is a pretty simple design. The chain is tensioned by tightening 2 bolts in the front of the sliders. To make things simpler, the disc brakes on the Wolverine frame slide with the rear axle position. The key is to maintain axle alignment. These sliders are called horizontal body dropouts, and they make axle alignment really easy. To do this with a geared bike, simply put the chain into the large chainring and the largest cog. This is effectively your tooth capacity. This should be no greater than the tooth capacity of your derailleur. For my SRAM GX, this is 47 teeth, and I'll have a lot more on the SRAM GX in a future video. Next, open the 2 bolts until each are flush with the slider, then tighten the bolts the same number of rotations until the chain is properly tensioned. I've used expensive chain tension gauges, and I've linked one below in the description that I use, but I find it just as easy to set the tension by feel. It'll be necessary to reset your brake pad positions after adjusting your dropouts. If there's enough interest, I'll do a video on that process as well.